You gotta be honest with me. How many of you are gamblers? Have you ever gambled without checking the cards first? You might be able to get away with that in card game, but in commercial real estate, that's a risk you don't want to take. Welcome back to ECMP Studios, where today we're uncovering the pivotal role of due diligence in securing your investments. In our previous episodes, we delved into the world of zoning and land use planning, the strategic framework that dictated what could be built and where. Now, let's explore how due diligence ensures that you fully understand what you're about to get into before you lay down your money. Due diligence in commercial real estate is like your own investigative team. It digs deep into every aspect of the property before you decide to buy or develop. This process includes assessing the physical condition of the property, verifying legal compliance, reviewing existing leases, and even ensuring there are no hidden surprises. Let's break it down. Physical inspection is the first layer. It's not just about ensuring the building stands upright. It's about evaluating its structural integrity, the condition of essential systems like plumbing and electrical, and its overall suitability for your intended use. Next step is legal scrutiny. This step confirms that the property complies with zoning laws, building codes, and any other regulations. It also involves checking for any legal encumbrances like liens or disputes that could jeopardize your investment. Financial assessment looks at the profitability of the property. This includes reviewing current leases, occupancy rates, and operating expenses. Understanding these financials is crucial, especially in sectors like retail and industrial, where the market dynamics post-COVID have shifted dramatically. Environmental checks are critical too. These involve evaluating the property for environmental hazards such as soil contamination or asbestos, which can be a deal breaker or require significant remediation costs. Due diligence is your safeguard against the unexpected. It provides a clear picture of your potential investment and helps mitigate risks. In today's booming sectors like retail and industrial, where the stakes are high, due diligence is not just advisable, it's critical. Next time, we will delve into the intricate world of insurance and liability in commercial real estate. Understanding these aspects is key to protecting your assets and securing your financial future. Ready to dig deeper into how due diligence can protect and enhance your commercial real estate investments? Have you ever been surprised by a property's hidden issues? Or has due diligence saved you from a bad investment? Comment below. Or reach out to us for a personal consultation at ECMP. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay